The day begins well before sunrise, when the world is still quiet. There's a sense of quiet excitement as we help prepare the balloon ready for takeoff. It's calm, unhurried. I've got my brother with me, and already it feels like something special.
It's early, it's cold, and I'm all for it. We're in the only place in WA where we get to be with commercial hot air balloons, and it's so surreal.
This is Liberty Balloon Flights, and if you've never experienced sunrise from the air, this is the only way to do it. As the burner fires and the balloon lifts, the Avon Valley slowly reveals itself. This is a part of WA most people only glimpse from the road.
We've just done the safety briefing and now we're up in the air. This is awesome and a little scary.
We're 4,000 feet above the ground, sitting on top of the clouds, with an unforgettable view of the ground.
They call it a peaceful adventure floating on the wind, and they are so right. It's so serene up here, it's beautiful. And as nervous as I am right now, it's so quiet and it's so nice. There's no noise, it's awesome.
Pilots here are more than just experts in the air. They're great storytellers too, with unmatched local and weather knowledge, with a bit of history too. It makes for such a fun and personal experience, especially for my brother and I. The best part is you never know where you're going to end up, whether it's farmland or open fields. It just takes a few minutes to pack down the balloon, which is a part of the hands-on collaborative experience. The morning finishes with a relaxed country breakfast at a nearby historic hotel. Over coffee and a specially prepared buffet, there's time to chat with the pilot, share stories, and just take it all in.
It's so peaceful and quiet out here. It's so hard to believe that this is only an hour and a half away from Perth. And this is an experience that we're going to remember for the rest of our lives.